Weber Q not getting hot enough? I've got a quick and easy fix. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. Don't forget everything you use in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure to check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the temperature of the Weber Q. Now, whether you've got a baby Q, a family Q, or a Q2000, over time that temperature is going to drop. 9 times out of 10 it's down to a faulty regulator, and if your Weber is under 5 years old, Weber will replace that. Now the second option is over time then that Weber burner will start to wear out, and what you'll find is when you've got it on high, the gas is only coming up to the low height setting. Now again, like I said, this could be down to a faulty regulator or a faulty burner. I have made a video on how to clean your burner tube. Again, I'll put a link to that at the end of this video. And in today's video, what we're going to be doing is changing the burner tube that Weber have sent out. So what we'll do is dive straight into it. So first up, you just want to disconnect the gas. So make sure your gas bottle's turned off completely. Disconnect the regulator. Now this is just for safety purposes. You can leave the gas connected if you like, but it's just safer to make sure it's fully disconnected. And this is the safest way to do it. Next up, we're going to lift our grill plates out. Now as you can see, my Q is quite dirty. There will be a video link to how to clean your Q at the end of this video. Now we've got our grill plates out, we're just going to undo this bolt here. Now you can use a slotted screwdriver, like so, or if you want, it's a 5/8 socket. Now you can either use a drill or a quarter drive socket set. I'm going to use a drill. So we're just going to lift our burner up. Going to slide it out from the connection from the right hand side. Now we're going to grab our new burner, slide that back in, so slide it onto that connection, lower it down, and now we're just going to reattach it with the bolt. Now don't over tighten that bolt, you just want it to nip up, just to hold that burner in place. Now we're just going to reconnect the gas, turn that gas on. We're just going to turn the gas on and try and light it with the igniter. And now that's lit up and working perfectly. We're going to turn the gas off, replace our grill plates, and we're ready to start cooking. Don't forget everything you use in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So as you can see, it's a really simple fix. It's really easy to change that burner tube. All you need is a 5/8 socket or a slotted screwdriver. Now make sure you turn off and disconnect that gas. Also, you can check at the gas regulator to check there's no gas leaking by just putting some washing up liquid around there as well. If you're getting bubbles from that washing up liquid, then you know that that gas is leaking. I hope you found that tutorial really helpful and you could see how easy it is to fit a new gas tube burner. Now, if you're looking for a quick and easy way to clean your baby Q, check out this video. And if you're looking how to change your regulator, check out this video. And I'll catch you in the next one.